Hey, what's up guys? I hope all of you are doing well. So there's a new March update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video, we will talk about that update. So to update it, you just have to simply go into your settings, and after tapping on settings, you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you have to tap on software update. Now after tapping on software update, you have to tap on download and install. Now from download and install, you will get to see that there is a new update available. Talking about the update size, so this update is 433 MBs in size with the security patch level of March 1st, 2025. And if we talk about that, what's new available with this update, so this update includes some device stability improvement, bug fixes with some new or enhanced features. Now to download this update, you will have to simply tap on download over here, and now you have to wait until the download is complete. This update is 433 MBs in size, and once this update is downloaded, you will get to see an option of install now. So you can install this update from here, but make sure that your device is completely free during the installation process, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. So to install it, simply tap on install now when your device is completely free. Now you can install this update, and this process might take a while, so you will have to wait patiently over here. Also, do let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your Galaxy S24 Ultra or not yet. And finally, the update is installed. As you can see, your phone has been updated. Now when you will check for the download and install, it will show that your device will be on the latest version. From here, you will get to see that your device is up to date with the latest security patch level of the March 1st, 2025. And hopefully there are chances that this will be the last OneUi 6.1 update, and the next update that we will get will be of the OneUi 7 update. So there are high chances that the next update that we are going to see will be of the OneUi 7. As from the official Samsung newsroom, it is confirmed that the OneUi 7 update will be available within the month of April. So there's a high chance that the next upgrade in the April month will be of the OneUi 7. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.